Can we have the volume a bit high? Hello. This mic has a mic of its own. Hello? Good evening, everyone. Lucky right. Good evening. Energy कहाँ है? Good evening, everyone. It feels absolutely amazing to see so many happy faces here tonight. Can we have a huge round of applause? Happiness, if I may say so, is because it feels like a college reunion seeing all these familiar faces. So I'm very happy in my own zone. But that is not the primary reason of happiness. What is the primary reason of happiness? Can somebody tell me? Anyone? What are we celebrating this year? 5th year of?
Yeah, I got.
And 10th year of? Yes. So now I have a task for all of you. This year the theme is 10 and 5 stronger together. So when I say stronger, you have to scream the loudest together. So stronger together. Can we please, rise?
Yeah, sure.
So that we So on the count of 1, 2, 3. Stronger! Together! Stronger! Together! Stronger! Together! Huge round of applause. So we call them sister concerns for a reason. Can we have the volume a bit high? Hello. This mic has a mic of its own. Hello? Good evening, everyone. Lucky right. Good evening. Energy कहाँ है? Good evening, everyone. It feels absolutely amazing to see so many happy faces here tonight. Can we have a huge round of applause? Happiness, if I may say so, is because it feels like a college reunion seeing all these familiar faces. So I'm very happy in my own zone. But that is not the primary reason of happiness. What is the primary reason of happiness? Can somebody tell me? Anyone? What are we celebrating this year? 5th year of?
Yeah, I got.
And 10th year of? Yes. So now I have a task for all of you. This year the theme is 10 and 5 stronger together. So when I say stronger, you have to scream the loudest together. So stronger together. Can we please, rise?
Yeah, sure.
So that we So on the count of 1, 2, 3. Stronger! Together! Stronger! Together! Stronger! Together! Huge round of applause. So we call them sister concerns for a reason, because we go hand in hand with same synergy, same innovation, and the power of building everything brick by brick. And all of that was possible only because each one of you who's sitting here has that same passion. So cheers to that, and many more years of TSL as well as ICOP. So तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Now before we move ahead, I've got few quick rules of how this program is going to go. Please keep your phones on silent mode, or as I like to say, need mode. If you need to step out, please exit silently. सारी दुनिया को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आप रूम से बाहर जा रहे हैं. Feel free to click pictures, but make sure that you're not blocking the view of your neighbor. They also want to enjoy the evening. And most importantly, keep the smiles and claps alive, because this is going to be a celebration, not just your usual corporate event. So are you all with me?
Yes.
Thank you. And to officially open this evening, we have 3 amazing leaders who have shaped this journey. Shalaka Padhye, Director at ICOP. The force behind Seamless India operations and the bridge between TSL and ICOP. A true people's leader focused on collaboration and innovation. Can we please have you here? The second person that I want to talk about is Mr. Sudhir Joshi. logistics and digital transformation. He's been the driving spirit behind TSL's global success. And how can we forget our very own Theo? Non-executive director and chief marketing advisor, full perspective, strategy and a vision for the future of logistic technology.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. It feels very much connected when somebody talks about a decade full of innovation and growth. And as we talk about innovation, I think the next decade is going to hit us more, as he rightly pointed out, with something called as AI. And what better way to see what AI can do than to actually look at hands-on experiments that our teams are doing. So our first proof of concept is by Prerna, who's built a handwritten digit recognition model using a convolutional neural network. मेरे लिए भी बहुत complex है. Short में बताती हूँ CNN. If it sounds complex, you should see how it works. Over to Prerna. A huge round of applause to Prerna. We'll see how TSL minds are experimenting with artificial intelligence in her project called CNN. Nothing to do with news channels. Layman's, sir, I share your same doubt. I had the exact same response in my mind when she was talking about recognizing digits. के हमने इतने सारे कैप्चा वाले चीजें देखी होंगी, you know, mark the parts of the image where you see motorcycle and everything. I came across the same doubt and same resemblance. But apart from that, Prerna, how about selling this to doctors, because their handwritings are not identifiable. You know, probably they write it in the software and then it recognizes us, I mean that for us. So huge round of applause for Prerna. So all those who are the markets, you know where to direct them. So thank you, Mahesh. And there comes a time, at least once a year, where I feel like Penny from Big Bang Theory, sitting in a room full of Sheldons and Len. I mean, if you have seen the series, you have made me feel that. But I mean, imagine machine learning, markets, and all of that is alien to somebody who thoroughly belongs to performing arts. But kudos to all brilliant minds. And now let's turn our attention to one of our marquee clients, Qantas Airways. We'll play a short video followed by account updates and upcoming projects to be announced by Mahesh and Prerna.
That's the fundamental shift that has done in the last couple of years. Thank you very much.
Hold your heads when you say together, okay? Stronger! Together! Stronger! Together! Stronger! Together! Very good. So, kudos to the whole team. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? Behind every company's success is, what's the usual phrase? Anyway, it's a woman, but again, I wanted to say that. But behind, I have improvised it and gone further and have written behind every company's success is an admin who's marking everybody's in CC. So, every strong company is built up on strong systems, and ICOM is no exception. If I have to talk about admins, they're not just the walls that put everything together. They're also the cement and the concrete that binds the team members together. They make sure that everybody is in it as a unit and not individuals who are standing on their own islands. And last phrase that I want to attach to them, they are also the roofs in calamities where we want to protect the teams. So these are admins for you, and to introduce our very own admin at ICOP, I would like to invite Shalaka to launch this admin and talk about all the admin achievements so far. Yes, over to Shalaka.
I would also like to thank Shraddha for her additional help in everything.
जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं is what is said in Hindi. So somebody who works harder, I mean, I've seen this very frequently that somebody who works harder very rarely boasts about it. So I think Sonali is an example of it. Can we have a huge round of applause? Now we move to another key client success story, AFS. We'll be playing a video. After that, I would like to invite Pradeep, Pulkeshi, Vishnu, Anish and Neha to share the latest updates and give us the upcoming plans and exciting news. Yes.
Thank you everyone for your time here and enjoy the conference.
The global conversation around observability, Mr. Hoy. Let's take a look at his video and see how observability is transforming performance management.
Yes, CP update.
Yes,
We have one more.
Yes, okay.
Should we go ahead?
Yeah.
So thank you, Hoy. And now our final client story for the evening, couriers please. We'll play a quick video, and after that I would request Bharti to give us insights and the future roadmap for the company. Yes.
I joined the conference and you guys had a light drinks last night.
A melody from an Indian Idol singer. I'm a singer, Bharti? You narrated in a melodious way, so I thought. I hope Amazon joins hands with you and couriers please comes down to India, because everybody knows they are failing miserably in India at least now.
I never heard logistics that musical.
Yeah, exactly. So I was listening to her and it felt like a melody, hence I asked. So huge round of applause to And that's a wrap for today. Tomorrow we dive into the TSL ICOP growth story. We'll have inspiring talks from clients, from external speakers. We'll have many videos played and we'll have lots of fun together. Just one request to every team member, please be there on time. We start sharp 8:30 a.m. Mark that on your calendars. Don't put a snooze alarm, please. So thank you all of you and see you there tomorrow. Your dinner and drinks await. Thank you. Have a great night.